Franklin Park Elementary School in Fort Myers just celebrated its diamond anniversary in 2017. 60 years old. But unlike fine wines, buildings don't get better with age.
The electrical was built in 1957, and so many of the parts are so dated that they don't even sell them anymore.
Dr. Bethany Quisenberry knows the problems that come with an aging building all too well.
Last school year, we lost electricity for a few days because we had to wait for a company to build the pieces that they needed and then to overnight them.
On top of that, the school has grown by more than 100 students over the past several years.
So this is our cafeteria, and although it is a very beautiful cafeteria with all of our murals and everything, it is not large enough for our school population. Some of them sit on the stage and some of them sit outside with supervision.
Squeeze back over here.
It's also tough moving around in the kitchen.
There's not enough
It's
space.
not enough space.
Outside, more problems.
Each of our classrooms have these big units, so when the air turns on, it's very loud in the classroom and it makes it difficult for the teacher to teach. The rain leaks through the bottom, gets our gym floor wet, and it makes it unsafe for our students to come in here to be able to play.
If voters approve the half-cent sales tax referendum this November, it would generate approximately $59 million a year. Some of that money would go towards rebuilding Franklin Park Elementary School, as well as Cypress Lake Middle School, which was built in 1961.
To operate them and to keep them maintained is quite expensive. We've done an analysis and found that replacing those schools makes much more economical sense than trying to keep them up and running.
It'll be nice to have the capacity in all of our spaces to hold the number of students that we have.
To learn more about the half-cent sales tax initiative, visit leeschools.net/change for change. For Lee Schools TV, I'm Adam Ray.